talk say Atletico go stop us. Dem bin talk say Girona dey inform now. Dem bin talk say Barca don dey see road. Dem forget say La Liga na our property.
Los Blancos!
Hey!
Oga Ancelotti, congratulations on top una latest trophy.
Thank you, my boy.
Una achievement just dey give una haters gbas. Una no even wan know the kind emotional damage wey una dey give them.
Wetin concern us? Na Los Blancos we be. Anything wey we touch go turn white. Dem never see anything. Just wait. More dey come on the 1st of June.
We dey hear rumors say UEFA don already write una name for the Champions League trophy.
I no know about that one, but na better foresight be that. At this stage sef, UEFA don suppose change some parts of Champions League anthem. Put Hala Los Blancos inside the lyrics.
Abi o.
Yes now, na in their interest.
But I think say na Hala Madrid una fans dey talk.
But you know say e get one unfortunate premature neighbor wey we get. If dem put Hala Madrid, some people no go dey sure whether na the real or fake Madrid dey there.
Some haters dey talk say La Liga things dey make am easy for una to dey farm them.
I know say na those yeye Premier League fans dey talk am. Upon all the competition wey dem dey claim and money wey dem dey pay dem, where dem dey for European competitions, na just mouth dem get. And by the way, no be only La Liga we dey farm Champions League join. If dem think say e dey easy, make dem go carry their hoe and cutlass start work. We na tractor we dey use.
I don talk am before say 1xbet get bonus for everything. Una already sabi the one wey you go get 300% bonus for your first deposit if you register with our promo code GNEXT. But now, I go yarn you about some of their secret bonuses wey you never hear. You sabi say if you play 10 games for accumulator and one game cut am, dem go still give you 9% of wetin you for win. That bonus na im dem dey call top beans. Dem still get another one wey dem dey call goalless football. For that one, if you bet on top any match and dem play goalless draw for first half, 1xbet go give you back your money. Use the link wey we give you to find even more secret offers. Always make sure say you read their terms and conditions, sha. And no forget to use sense take bet. Thank you.
Oh, which kind of problem be this one now? Hello, Ateta, which kind win you be safe? You get dignity at all? Which one be say you go dey give person 39 missed calls inside 10 minutes?
So because I dey try give you tried and tested tips on how to win Guardiola, I don turn winch.
See, una don come our house shoot us finish, collect 3 points chook for pocket waka comot. Wetin you want again?
So small 3 points wey we collect from una home, na em still dey pain you till now. Let bygone be bygone. I no mean to bygone with bullets o. Wetin we need to squarely focus on now na to make sure say una qualify for Champions League next season.
Abeg leave all that nonsense talk. You just want make I collect small points from City so that una go carry Premier League.
Oya, okay, you don catch me. But you reason am na. You no wan go Champions League?
I wan go Champions League, but on my own terms.
Kai! God, you be momo. You no get as you wan take go Champions League if you no win City today.
I know, but make una just stop to dey pressure me. I no like to dey work under pressure. After all, na you go game pass.
No, I no dey try pressure you. I just wan give you tried and tested tactics to take win Guardiola with your type of squad.
That is, you feel say I no sabi do my work now, abi?
No be like that. In short, now you be one of the best coaches for APL. Now just say 2 heads is better than 1. You fit still reason 1 or 2 tactics for me. I know they talk say Arsenal go game pass. Sean say we dey form rivals so we suppose be sibling clubs. No be the same North London 2 of us there.
Hey! Arsenal and Tottenham, sibling clubs, wonders shall never end.
This our yeye neighbor wey dey the other side of London. They claim say na only them fit carry Champions League for London. We need to change that narrative. See as them there now. Football Kwashiorkor don catch them. If our 2 clubs follow go Champions League next season, we go increase the chances of another London club carrying the trophy.
I don't hear you, but leave me make I do my work. I no need your help. If I go fail, make them sack me. Na my concern be that. Bye bye.
Wait. Now, wow. This Momo no understand say no be just about am. Him no know say the dignity of the whole Premier League dey rest on him shoulder.